Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to contact Newton, Canada, and how to send BTC from Newton. I know that these are two topics that a lot of people are interested in, so I'm excited to share some information with you. Before we get started, I want to make it clear that I am not a financial advisor. The information that I am sharing is for educational purposes only, and should not be taken as financial advice. How to contact Newton, Canada. If you want to contact Newton, Canada, there are a few different ways that you can do so. You can call Newton, Canada at +1 647 561 5151. You can email Newton, Canada at email address removed. You can send a message to Newton, Canada through their website. If you have a question about your account, you can also log into your Newton account and contact customer support. How to send BTC from Newton. Sending BTC from Newton is easy. All you need to do is log into your account and click on the Send button. Once you click on the Send button, you will be asked to enter the address of the recipient, the amount of BTC that you want to send, and the transaction fee. Once you have entered all of the information, you can click on the Send button to confirm the transaction. Your BTC will be sent to the recipient within a few minutes. Tips for sending BTC from Newton. Be sure to double-check the address of the recipient before you send any BTC. If you are sending a large amount of BTC, it is a good idea to split the transaction into multiple smaller transactions. You can use the Newton app to track your transactions. Conclusion. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I hope you enjoyed this video about how to contact Newton, Canada, and how to send BTC from Newton. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I also encourage you to leave a comment below with any questions or feedback that you have. You can find more information about Newton, Canada on their website, https://www.newton.co. You can download the Newton app from the App Store or Google Play. Invalid URL removed. You can join the Newton community on Discord. Invalid URL removed.